Ever scroll through your Steam friends list and spot someone with no name at all? It looks mysterious, a little sneaky, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself. By the end of this video, your Steam name will be completely invisible. No hacks, no rule breaking, just a clever little trick anyone can use. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Most people will find it on the desktop or through the Start menu, so launch it however you normally would. Once Steam loads up, look to the top right corner and log into your account if you aren't already. Enter your username and password carefully, hit sign in, and you'll land on your Steam homepage. Now look toward the top of the app where your profile name appears. Click on it, and from the drop-down that shows up, choose View My Profile. This takes you straight to your public profile page where you can see your games, achievements, badges, and all that good stuff. Next, scroll a little until you see the Edit Profile button and click it. This is where we'll make the magic happen. In the field where it asks for your profile name, you're not going to type any regular characters. Instead, you're going to paste a special blank Unicode symbol. It looks like nothing, but Steam reads it as a valid character, so your name shows up as invisible. If you don't already have one, a quick search for blank Unicode character for Steam name will give you a working one instantly. Copy that invisible character and paste it directly into the profile name box. Once it's in, scroll to the bottom and hit Save. Give it a second to refresh, and that's it. Your Steam name is now completely blank. Your friends will just see empty space where your name should be, and it works on the profile, friends list, and in most games. Best part? It doesn't break any rules, and you can switch back to a normal name anytime. If this helped you pull off the invisible name trick, drop a like or share it with a friend who'd love to confuse their lobby. I've got plenty more quick Steam tips and gaming tweaks on the way, so stick around and keep exploring. Happy gaming, and enjoy going incognito.